Cardiomersion 2024, the 14th annual global conference, was held in Chandigarh from 17 September to 19. Global leaders in cardiovascular and thoracic care, led by Dr. Deepak Puri, Global Chairman of Cardiomersion, united to shape the future of heart health. Union Health Minister Jagat Prakash Nadda extended his heartfelt appreciation to Cardiomersion 2024 and Dr. Deepak Puri for leading a decade-long mission of advancing cost-effective cardiovascular care. We proudly welcomed our esteemed chief guests, Dr. Atul Sachdev on day 1, Dr. Sandeep T. Laroya on day 2, and Dr. D.K. Satsangi on day 3. Dr. D.K. Satsangi, former Emeritus Professor and Director at G.B. Pant Institute of Medical Education and Research, explores the groundbreaking use of homografts in cardiac surgery, advancing patient outcomes with innovative techniques and research. Dr. Eric J. Leher, Chief of Staff at Cherry Hill Campus and Director of Minimally Invasive Cardiac Surgery at Washington University, presents on thoracoscopic surgical ablation for atrial fibrillation, a transformative approach to heart rhythm management. Dr. Johannes Bonatti, Professor of Cardiothoracic Surgery at the University of Pittsburgh, leads advancements in robotically assisted hybrid coronary interventions. Dr. Atul Sachdev, Medical Director and Director of Gastroenterology at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Mohali, explores the critical connection between metabolic syndrome, fatty liver, and cardiovascular health. Dr. Tejinder Ahuja, Clinical Associate Professor at the University of Texas Medical Branch, Galveston, explores the complex relationship between heart and kidney dysfunction in his presentation on cardiorenal syndrome. Dr. Sandeep T. Laroya, Professor of Radiology and Oncology at the University of Iowa, explores the latest advances in pulmonary interventions. Professor Ashok Khatri, Director Principal at Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh, discusses the critical steps and challenges in setting up an open heart surgery unit in a government medical college. Dr. Sudhir Verma, Chief of Cardiology at Sadbhavna Medical and Heart Institute, Patiala, delves into two critical topics: managing difficult-to-treat patients for stroke prevention in atrial fibrillation with direct oral anticoagulants, and exploring the true impact of low cholesterol on heart health. Dr. Milind P. Hote, Director of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery at Fortis Okhla, presents on the management of mechanical complications in coronary artery disease. Dr. Sanjeet Singh Sodhi, Senior Cardiologist and President of the Indian Medical Association, Mohali, discusses the importance of guideline-directed medical therapy for heart failure. Dr. H. K. Bali, Chairman of Livasa Hospitals, presents on the latest advancements in managing cardiogenic shock in 2024. Dr. Sudhir Saxena, Senior Director and Head of Cardiology at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Mohali, explores the residual risk of atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease despite maximal statin therapy and the emerging role of inclisiran. Dr. Deepak Puri, Senior Director of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery at Max Healthcare, Mohali, discusses two pivotal topics: the team approach for comprehensive management of critical cardiovascular surgical interventions, and the current applications and benefits of modified uniportal video-assisted thoracic surgery in enhancing patient recovery. Dr. Tomoko S. Kato, Director of Heart Failure at Kurum University, Kyushu, Japan, explores the distribution of diastolic dysfunction and myocardial damage in Fabry disease and amyloidosis. Dr. Achintya Molik, President and CEO of CarePoint Health System and faculty at the George Washington University, New Jersey, explores the synergies between the US and India that have the potential to transform global healthcare. Dr. Nagesh Ayalasamyajula, Clinical Director of Minimally Invasive Cardiac Surgery and Heart Transplant Program at Care Hospital, Hyderabad, discusses patient selection, cutting-edge techniques, and the numerous benefits of minimally invasive cardiac surgery. Dr. Suryakant Mathur, Director of the Department of Diabetes and Endocrinology at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Mohali, explores the paradigm shift in managing diabetes-related kidney disease. Dr. Manoj Sahu, CVTS intensivist at AIIMS Delhi, discusses the critical aspects of early post-operative management for heart transplant patients. Dr. Prince, interventional cardiologist at Max Hospital Mohali, presents on 3D optical coherence tomography, a cutting-edge technology that provides an extra edge in coronary interventions. Dr. Vinita Ahuja, cardiologist at the Heart Health Institute, Wayne State University, Canada, delivered an insightful session on cardiometabolic disease management. Dr. Ankur Ahuja, senior consultant in cardiology at Fortis Hospital, Mohali, spoke on advanced multimodality imaging for complex coronary interventions. Dr. Jeet Ram Kashyap, professor of cardiology at Government Medical College, Chandigarh, presented on left atrial appendage device closure. Dr. Kishore Gupta, consultant cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon at Marengo CIMS, Gujarat, presented key updates on heart and lung transplantation, including donor and recipient protocols, challenges in lung transplantation, and the current scenario. He also highlighted organ donation awareness and discussed transcatheter mitral valve replacement as a bridge to heart transplantation. Dr. Deepan Uppal, fellow in cardiovascular medicine at the Mayo Clinic, explores two critical topics: the diagnostic challenges of concurrent mitral regurgitation and cardiac amyloidosis, and the prevalence and gender disparities in atrial fibrillation among transthyretin amyloidosis patients. Dr. Jatinder Lamba, Associate Dean at the University of Florida, highlighted the risks of cardiotoxicity from anthracyclines in cancer patients. Dr. Pratiksha Gandhi, CEO of CoCardio Incorporated, California, highlighted holistic heart care, showcasing the synergy of enhanced external counterpulsation therapy and lifestyle interventions for optimal cardiac health. Dr. Nidhi Puri, professor and head of anatomy and dean at AIIMS Bilaspur, delivered an enlightening session on the embryological basis of congenital cardiovascular diseases. Dr. Amitabh Satsangi, faculty in cardiovascular and thoracic surgery at AIIMS New Delhi, spoke on the current status of pediatric cardiac surgery. Dr. Surbhi Puri, from community medicine at AIIMS New Delhi, presented on quality assurance and improvement in cardiac sciences. Dr. Rachna Khanna Singh, consultant at Artemis Hospital and director of the Mind and Wellness Studio, presented on holistic wellness and nurturing relationships. Mr. Rajesh Saxena, Vice President of Clinical Research at Max Healthcare, discussed digital connectivity and smartphone use among urban type 2 diabetes patients. Ms. Swati Gautam and Ms. Simran Kaur from Clinical Research, Medical Oncology, Max Healthcare Mohali, discussed CAR T-cell associated cardiotoxicities, emphasizing monitoring and management in oncology care. Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Murtaja from AIIMS, New Delhi, presented case reports on fetal, neonatal, and infantile aortic valve balloon dilatation followed by the Roscoe procedure. Dr. Sandeep Chakraborty from AIIMS, New Delhi, introduced a simplified point-of-care algorithm designed to optimize restricted blood transfusion in cyanotic babies. Dr. Soumya Puri from AIIMS Bilaspur discussed post-COVID-19 cardiovascular complications. Dr. Shaurya Pratap Kushwaha from AIIMS Bilaspur highlighted the evolving role of regenerative medicine in cardiovascular disease. Dr. Nikita Goyal from NHS, UK, shared findings from a multicenter study on perceived stress and professional quality of life among neonatal ICU nurses in North India. Dr. Tanya Bharadwaj from Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh, explored the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing diagnostics and risk prediction in non-invasive cardiac imaging and coronary artery disease assessment. Dr. Manjari Chandra, clinical nutrition expert at Max Healthcare, Delhi, discussed nutritional modulation of cardiovascular health. Professor Bijoya Bhattacharjee, HOD and Assistant Professor of Dietetics and Applied Nutrition at Amity University, Kolkata, explored the role of micronutrient interventions in cardiovascular health. Ms. Aparna Joshi from PGIMER, Chandigarh, presented an in vitro evaluation of cellular senescence in c-KIT-positive CD117 human cardiac progenitor cells with advancing age. Ms. Rukhsar Bano from Punjab University, Chandigarh, discussed the antimicrobial activity derived from tissue extracts of the horticultural pest Areophanta interrupta, a land mollusk. Ms. Himanshi Bakshi, Technical Associate in Diagnostics R&D at Converges Healthcare, presented a therapeutic perspective on epidrugs in cardiovascular diseases. Ms. Jyoti Solria, a renowned mindfulness coach, delved into the significance of emotional intelligence. Ms. Seetal Tripathi, an international yoga and fitness coach, an expert in sports nutrition and Ayurveda, shared insights on holistic approaches to wellness. Dr. Sriram Mandava, yoga therapy expert from the Ministry of Ayush, Telangana, explored yoga's role in cardiac and pulmonary care. Ms. Dimpi Kapoor, Assistant Professor of Yoga, highlighted the transformative role of yoga therapy and its profound impact on cardiovascular health. Dr. Jyoti Dongre Rao, co-founder and CEO of JV EdTech Medovation, addressed global challenges in cardiovascular health and emphasized the role of digital innovation in the cardiac age. Thank you for making Cardiomersion 2024 a monumental success. Your unwavering support, participation, and enthusiasm have been the cornerstone of this event's achievements. Featured in over 80 newspapers, this conference has truly set new benchmarks in advancing cardiovascular care. Together, we are shaping a healthier future.